What's up, guys? First of all, how do you like my hair? It looks like Mindaugas Kuzminskas, which you can see here on the right. Yeah, I went to have a haircut 2 days ago, and yeah, I can see the stuff on the side is gone. But yeah, I got out of bed today and I was a little bit in a hurry, so yeah, I didn't have time to make my hair, and I don't give a shit actually, because yeah, I'll do that later. Yeah, and the reason is because I had to do my laundry, and the hotel, they would have been able to do it, but only until Monday afternoon, and my flight is on Monday afternoon, so yeah, would have been too late. So I went to this public place, Laundries, close to Kaunas Old Town. So yeah, I'm waiting for the washer to be finished. I, by the way, never thought that I'd do a vlog about a public washing place in Kaunas, but yeah, apparently that's how it is. Yeah, and then to buy some stuff, buy some new FFP2 masks, and just do some shopping, and then I have to get ready for the big game tonight, which is, yeah, Lithuania made it to the finals. They're playing against Slovenia. And yeah, Slovenia is really strong. So with Luka Doncic, they're a real powerhouse. And Lithuania as a team is actually usually a powerhouse, but they've been struggling in the last couple of yeah, I don't know, games, months, whatever. So yeah. These guys probably think, what the hell is this weird dickhead doing, filming himself? But yeah, that's how it is. Damn, actually, I was hoping that this would be like a quiet place where nobody walks through, but yeah, okay. I'm exposed. Anyway, yeah, so the big final is today, and to be honest, I don't have too many hopes. I'm one of the biggest Lithuania fans out there, but Slovenia is really strong, and Lithuania has been struggling a little bit. So let's see how it goes. Maybe they can make the turnaround today. But yeah, so let's see how it goes. And as soon as my laundry is finished, I'll head back to the Acropolis, which is a pretty cool shopping mall. If you guys haven't been to Lithuania, it's like a shopping center chain, and there's loads of cool stuff there. Obviously, like shops, clothes shops and whatever, but there's also like bowling alleys, cinemas and whatnot. And I'm just waiting for them to pass because it's really weird. I'm a little bit ashamed of myself actually when people walk by, or when I'm in a place where a lot of people are and talking to the camera, because yeah, they think I'm a weirdo, which maybe I am, but yeah, it just feels a little weird. I'm not into the vlogging world yet completely. But yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, this was super spontaneous. I was looking for a gym to do a real quick workout, and I found that they have a gym inside the Žalgirio arena. So I went there and asked if I could have just for one time to practice. And the young girl at the desk was, yeah, sure. First time is even for free. Basically just have a tryout. And yeah, so here I am. Really, really cool. Really, really modern. Really cool gym. I don't want to film too long because people might get pissed off. Just with some foreign guy sticking a camera in their face. But yeah, really cool. And there's also a pretty cool view. Awesome. So that felt really good. Feeling those good old muscles again. And this place is called Lemon Gym, and it's hang on, let me see if I can. Okay, it says like Sporto Klubo, but it's basically Lemon Gym, right in the Žalgiris arena. When you come up the hill on the very right hand side. And yeah, so that felt cool. And now I'm gonna go back to the hotel and get prepared for the ultimate game tonight. And I'm gonna shop there with my beloved scooter in the background. Hope that guy didn't think I just filmed him and I'm some gay dude that thinks he's or something. I wanted to film that scooter. There you go. So, see ya. So many people. I think the stadium actually might be filled completely. Like the game yesterday, maybe it was, I don't know, 3/4 full. There was also quite a few people, but this is like this looks really as if it's gonna fill up. So this is the fan zone. Half an hour before the game starts. Hope you guys can hear me. So there's even a mobile vaccination card. But I'm not quite sure how that's going to work. If you get yourself vaccinated and you're allowed in the game, in the stadium, I doubt so. Still a cool idea though. What a crazy game so far. Absolutely incredible. Doncic is a huge machine. This guy's awesome. Too bad he's not Lithuanian. These guys are really, really crazy. He's scoring and scoring and scoring. And the Lithuanians can't stop him. But the Lithuanians are playing really well too. So yeah, it's a really close game. It's 52 tied. And this after the Lithuanians were back by, I don't know, like 10 points or something in the first quarter. So yeah, coming back. But yeah, it's a really close game, really awesome. I mean, if the video ends here, I probably had a heart attack because it's so exciting and yeah, so nerve-wracking. So let's hope the best for the next half. Guys, I'm looking for the highest point to jump off from. Lithuania lost, and for the first time in history, I think, they're not taking part in the Olympics for basketball. So as I was saying, I'm trying to find some high spot to jump off from, which is really difficult in Lithuania because the highest point is, I think, 290 meters tall, above sea level. So the best thing I could do is probably jump off Gediminas Tower, and then worst or best case get severely injured. Oh, it's terrible feeling, an unreal feeling. Because Lithuania, Olympics without Lithuania in basketball is unthinkable, but it happened, and to be honest, it actually deserved it. I mean, Slovenia played a lot better throughout the whole tournament, and yeah. It was Doncic who dominated us. But if he wouldn't have played, I have a strong feeling that Lithuania could have beat them. But Doncic made the difference. And also number 31 from Slovenia was also really good. He hit so many three-pointers. So yeah, Slovenia deserved to win. And yeah, Lithuania has to learn from this experience and yeah, do it better next time. So yeah, that's the end of my journey in Lithuania, and yeah, still a pretty interesting experience because it was the first time where so many spectators were allowed back in the stadium during the pandemic, and yeah, it was full house today, so I really hope everybody stays healthy and everything turns out good. Yeah, so on that note, thanks for watching, and hope you guys all stay healthy and safe. Bye guys.